What's up, guys? Showing you guys the new 4-inch upper from MSC Gear Up. I'm gonna be dropping the link to the product in the description. It comes with a aluminum charging handle, gold thread protector. It doesn't come with the BCG. Just showing you the swap I'm finna do, taking the 300 black off, putting on the 5.56 4-inch. That's a 8-inch. The after product. Breaking in a new toy today. Kid, you put one. No, he ain't got one in the head. Hold the camera. Grab him. Ooh, that bitch low. Hold on, that bitch steady jamming though. Nigga got that thunder ringing back here. You still recording? That wide, I don't know what you call them pin, takedown pin came out.
Still dropping bullets.
Got to. Reload it. And that bitch not cycling all the way. Close up, bitch. It's ring. Hold on, bitch. Don't ring them yet.
Huh?
Break this bitch. Come on, son. Bad thing at the range, y'all. Oh, the takedown pin went in. It went in. Hold on, guys.
That boy. If it ain't working how you want it to.
Bitch, we gonna run today, bitch. Damn, son. Failure to feed.
Say. Got that man.
Ah, that bit locking up on him, son. We got some help for him right here, though.